eng cho'ng bo'lgan ziyni bizning butun kelgusimiz tugdi.
The worst effect in my life came out of my experience in Guantanamo is basically my future is gone because of this. When people look at us, they don't look at my 36 years of life prior to Guantanamo. They'll look at my 4 years of life in Guantanamo. Doesn't matter what they say that I am innocent, they released me and all that. But when people hear that I have been to Guantanamo, they look at me differently. Some people don't even say hi to me because they know that I was in Guantanamo. So this Guantanamo, this name became a big black stamp on my head. A lot of people judge me because of that. All this like terrorists in Guantanamo, this and that, and people take cautious in my future, whatever I want to do. This is really affecting my future. So that makes me sad when I think about how my future is gone now because of that my life in Guantanamo.